Hello friends, welcome back. I'm No. It's been a very long time. I was not well for a few days and hence this video was delayed. Today I'm going to share with you guys this beautiful home tour, and this home belongs to Priya Ahmed. She's just like a sister to me, and this is the entrance area. While I take you guys through this entrance area, I want to share some few words about Priya ji. So she has always been a homemaker, and lately she is being involved in her husband's business as her kids are grown up now. She loves cooking, home decor, gardening, and music. She loves ghazal, and she has also created a separate room for music in her home. I'll show you guys that room in this home tour. And she is a great cook, and she loves to host her friends at her place. And she loves to explore historical places, and she loves Indian culture. This home they have brought 2 years back, and she has designed it from the scratch. So as we enter in this lobby area, you can see some Indian paintings over here, and there is also a shoe rack here. As I already mentioned, she loves Indian handicrafts. She says she wants to add Indian handicrafts from all over India in her home, and she is still in the process of doing it. And all the furniture that you guys see here are from Ra Lifestyles bespoke furniture and home decor. This home is in Pune. If you guys are looking for furniture, you guys can check out this furniture shop, which is also in Pune. As soon as you enter, you saw a foyer area, and after that, you will be able to see this living space and the dining space. So she has used some colorful cushions over here, so it gives a bright Indian look to the entire space. And one thing that is similar between me and Priyaji is that she also loves Buddha, and you will be able to see a lot of Buddha in her space. Just look at the carvings on this furniture. I just love it. Our Indian culture is so rich, and we always forget to celebrate our Indian culture. I'm so happy that Priyaji has chosen these Indian furniture. And look at that center table. It also has got that rich work, and it's so unique, right? I love the wall at the back of the TV, and this whole TV area is looking so complete because of all those decors and plants that has been used over here. And here is another Buddha. And here is the dining area. I just loved this side cabinet in the dining area, and also this wall at the back of this cabinet. The cabinet looks so unique, right? And this is the kitchen area. I just love the kitchen. It's so neat and clean. And this house is a duplex house. There is one bedroom in the ground floor, and there are other bedrooms and rooms on the top floor. So let me show you guys the bedroom in the ground floor. Priyaji has used a lot of mirrors in her home decor, and you can see all those mirrors are like long mirrors, and so they have added that extra lighting as well as the made the room look bigger, and all these mirrors are also so unique. And this wall decor is so good. I have seen this even on Amazon. The cabinets, bed, and the side tables, everything are like set. And this beautiful work, I'm just loving it. As I already mentioned, she is a lover of gardening, so she loves to grow plants, and you can see a lot of plants being used in her home decor, which is adding that beauty to her whole space, I would say. Now let's go and check out the first floor. I just love these wall plates. They're so good. Let me show you guys how the living space is looking from the first floor. Look at this cabinet. It's also so different, right? And all these wall decor. Let's check out the first bedroom in the first floor. So even here the bed, side tables and the cupboard is a set. And even here you can see a large mirror being used. This is like a master bedroom. There's actually a balcony attached to this room, which I'll show you guys. And this wallpaper, I just loved it. You can see it is adding a lot of beauty to this room. And since she has used the steel color, the grey wall is also getting enhanced. And this is the balcony area which I told you guys. In this balcony area she hasn't used plants. It's just like a relaxed sit out space, and she has a balcony with plants which I'll show you guys in the later part of the video. And even here she has added a lot of Indian decor only. I love this tapestry on this wall. Now let's check out the second bedroom on this floor. She has created a beautiful window seating like this. And look at these cute birds. So beautiful, right? And even here they have used a wallpaper. I like those wall decor on the wall. You can see the dressing table, the side table, the bed and the cabinet. Everything is a set. I told you guys, right? There is one room which she has set as the music room. So let's check out that room, guys. I like those colorful mirrors on this wall. I have to thank Priyaji from the bottom of my heart for sharing her beautiful home tour with us, and I'm really very happy that this has worked out well for us, because you guys are able to see this beautiful home tour now on my channel. Do let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below, and if you guys like this home tour, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Now let's check out my favorite space in our house. It's this balcony and this painting on this wall. You can see this huge Wadley painting, right? I just love it. And look at those plants here. Everything is so bushy and healthy. I just loved this entire balcony. Do let me know what you guys think about her home decoration in the comment section below. I just loved this house. It's a very superb duplex house, and she has designed it really well. Kudos to you, Priyaji. I hope even you guys would get some ideas from this home tour. That's the sole reason of sharing the home tours. Whichever home which I liked, I have always shared those home tours on my channel, because I feel even you guys will be benefited by seeing those home tours, and you'll get some ideas to decorate your home. I hope even in this video you got few ideas which you can implement in your home. Look at this beautiful Wadley painting. I just love it. As I already mentioned, Priyaji loves gardening, and you can see the love for gardening in this video itself. There's so many plants that she has maintained so well, and this is actually the entrance of the home. And you can see how beautiful all the plants are looking. I hope you guys would have liked today's video. If you guys liked it, please give a thumbs up, and also please do share it with your friends and family. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the ting 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 bell icon so you don't miss the notifications of my future videos. I'll see you all in the next interesting video, guys. I have been dying to share the tour of IKEA, which I recently visited. So that will be the next video. I'll see you all in the next video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends.